Let us come now to the treatment of stretch mark. I got the stretch mark. What do I do? No, there are people who come and ask me, send me somewhere. No, is there something called laser treatment? Does it work?
So there are two components to the stretch. One is the surface crinkling itself. The other thing is the visibility of the stretch mark. Stretch mark-க்கு வந்து ஒரு width இருக்கு, ஒரு length இருக்கு. Width குறைக்க முடியும். அந்த fault line length இருக்கும் அப்படிதான் இருக்கும். So you can make it far less visible. And it's also important to pick the time. இப்போ ஒரு second pregnancy-க்கு உங்களுக்கு மைண்டில் thought process இருந்துச்சுன்னா we say don't even bother because it's going to stretch all over again.
Yeah.
Or at least if you have 3, 4, 5 years gap வச்சுக்கிறீங்க, you want the aesthetics of it, தான் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. But suppose somebody says இல்லை நான் 2 வருஷத்துல நான் யோசிக்க போறேன் அப்படின்னாக்கா we just generally say
Finish your family way and then-
first visit, finish your family. Lasers, CO2 lasers தாண்டி micro needling RF works very well. Deep fractional RF, இப்போ அந்த micro needling RF சில newer devices are there which can penetrate fairly deep. Those are very, very helpful for us. Earlier, 4th to 6th month, if they can tolerate pain, we will start. ஏன்னா அப்போ நம்ம numbing cream ஜாஸ்தி யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம். We'll start with the surface treatments. Once we are able to use numbing cream, we can go for a little deeper treatment, especially nursing முடிச்சுட்டாங்க இல்லைன்னா அந்த மாதிரி இருந்துச்சுன்னா we go for a deeper treatments because these procedures need a numbing cream.